It is very lonely to be an indie solo game developer. That is why I have decided to start this devlog. Welcome to my devlog, episode 0, the beginning. Hello everyone, my name is Robert. In April 2023, I started working on my first professional game, which is a Jigsaw, or some would call it a puzzle game. I know that this is not an original idea, but back then I was looking for a project that one person could complete on its own. I have to mention that I love programming mechanics of a game, and this project mainly is just about it. It's like a crossword game. The idea is simple and everyone can do it, provided that its content is original. So I thought that in my Jigsaw game I would need some original photographs, and I came up with an idea of getting those from either free stock websites, or I'm getting to use an AI program to generate my own content. Today is 29th of June 2023, and the main mechanics of my game are working. So once the game is on, please bear in mind that it is still under development. The top screen currently displays the already assembled Jigsaw as a reference, so it is easy for me to test the app. Down the bottom you get to see a piece which you can pick up and drag to any place at the upper side of the screen. I must mention here that I plan to release this game for iOS and Android only because I'm personally convinced that this makes sense, as nearly everyone these days owns a smartphone. Getting back to the app, you can swipe left and right to change the Jigsaw piece. You can drag from the upper side of the screen back to what I call Jigsaw piece bar, and once you have correctly put the whole Jigsaw, the program informs you about this very fact. Currently, as you can see, the game is only 4x4 Jigsaw pieces, but I wrote the main mechanics in a way that it is going to be really easy to go for harder or other more complex versions like 8x8, 16x16 and so on. I haven't decided yet how deep I'm going to go with that. Maybe you can suggest to me what would be good in your opinion. Next things I'm going to work on are, I'm going to add a button that switches on and off the background image that helps to assemble the Jigsaw. Also, I would like to add a congratulations screen once the Jigsaw has been completed. I think this is it for this very first devlog. Thank you for your time, and I hope you'll come back and visit my channel again to see the progress of my game. Cheers!